Hello, everyone. Today's question is 5 divided by 1 divided 5 times 5. 5 divided by 1 equals 5 divided by 5 times 5, which is 25. 5 over 25, 5 goes into 25 5 times, so now 1 over 5 is the answer. But this is a wrong answer. Let's rewrite it. Let's take a look at this math question. 5 divided by 1/5, then multiplied by 5. According to the standard BODMAS rule, division and multiplication actually have the exact same priority level, so we must evaluate the expression from left to right. This means that whatever operation comes first when reading from left to right gets the first priority. In this specific case, the first part of the problem is division and the second part is multiplication. Let's solve it step by step. For 5 divided by 1/5, we can rewrite the division as multiplication, and we reverse 1 over 5 to become 5 over 1. Then finally multiply that by 5. Now, calculating 5 times 5 times 5 gives us 25 times 5, which equals exactly 125. This is the correct right answer.